Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, my name is Nur Muhammad Brifa, and my friend is.
Muhammad Yusi Raihanur.
Okay, we will explain to you about our answer from G form. And part one is about guessing the picture about. And number one, uh, it's the answer is B because the reason is the picture demonstrates several men racing on their bikes. And two, the answer is B. One of the men is wearing a helmet because the reason is because one of the men was seeing through a theodolite and other was standing in front scaffolding and wearing a helmet. Uh, yeah. And number three, uh, it's B. You can see several musicians with string instrument. The reason is because all of the people were playing with string instrument. And four, it's our answer is D. You can see a row arch in the background because the reason is because the other option is not make sense because it's not the A is not pouring rain, the B there are visitor on the side, and C all the rooms are cover over. It's not, and we choose D. And number five, the answer is our answer is B. The man is standing on winding ladder. The reason is because the man only standing on winding ladder. Part 2.
Okay. The second part is question and response. The direction in this part of the test, you will hear a question spoken in English, followed by three response also spoken in English. Okay, first number is, would you mean sending this invoice for me? The answer is B, because the question asks for help in sending an invoice. Answer is B, because it's the really fun response, because it's politically this line and state that is does have time. And the number two, can I borrow a pencil? The answer is C, because the reason is the request to borrow a pencil is answered with regret for not having one, which makes this the most appropriate answer. The number three is, you did not read the sick on the door, did you? Answer is B, because the question asks whether the sick on the door has been read. Uh, the B is correct response, because acknowledge that the check-in was not seen. The fourth number is, could you call me a taxi? The answer is A. The reason the request to call a taxi is answer is the affirmative and give instruction to wait, which is relevant to the context. And number five, you use number five, you used to work for a magazine. Did didn't you? The answer is A. The reason this question asks for confirmation of work experience at the magazines. Answer A, acknowledge the experience while stating the duration, which is relevant to the question.
And part 3. Uh, Number 1. Why did the man exchange the black shoes? The answer, they were too tight. Because the reason is because in conversation, the man said, I thought they were great, but they were a bit tight, so I exchanged them. So we concluded to the answer, they were too tight. The shoes were too tight. The number 2, why do they have to leave soon? The answer is to catch meeting. The reason is the woman in the conversation says the meeting starts 11 a.m. sharp and we can be late. So our answer, our conclusion is uh, they leaving soon because they want to attend a meeting. The number three, for how long will the factory be closed? Our answer is until the end of the year. The reason is the man in the conversation says no, they hope to reopen it this December. Our conclusion is the factory will be closed until the end of the year. Uh, Number four, what will the woman do later? The answer is go to computer class. The reason is the woman said, I can take the kids to the movie for you on the way to my computer class." Our conclusion is the woman will do about computer class. And number five, what does the woman tell the man to do? Our answer is ask someone on the seventh floor for assistance. The reason is because the woman answer for the man question, try to menswear department on the seventh floor, just as one of the other clerks when you get there. Part four.
Okay, next part is about tasks. The first question is what will be discussed today? The answer is the new computer system. The reason the announcement state in additional to update from each department, we will discuss the new computer system. And next, the what is the purpose of the change? The answer is to make information easier to store. Reason the announcement states this new system will make it much easier to store all of our customer information. And the number three, the question is what will happen later in the month? The answer is training session. The reason is the announcement says there will be a training program later in the month. Next is number four. What is probe- probably next Hancock jobs? The answer is a radio host. The reason is Nick Hancock delivered the closing remarks for the radio station's weekly news review. Thanks you for listening to BBC Radio 5. This suggests that he is a radio host. The last question, part 4, is what is the purpose of this talk? The answer is to conclude a program. The reason is conversation Nick Hancock side, and they bring us to the end of tonight edition of weekly news review, indicating that we has closing the program.
Part five. Number one is the professor discuss various theories about the origin of the universe. The answer is about. The reason is about is the most common choice to express the topic about the topic that being discussed. Number two, the new technology has have revolutionized the way we obtain information. The answer is we, because the reason is the subject we requires the the subject we is the base form of the verb obtain. Number three, the students were asked to present their research finding to the class. The answer is two, because two is indicate the direction. The CU emphasized the importance of effective communication in achieving company goals. The answer is in. The reason is in is used to indicate a relationship about, or the contribution in the process of achieving the goal. The book provides a comprehensive overview of modern art movement. The answer is overview of. The reason is Overview of is a common phrase to describe the scope of a topic. Number next, the research team conduct experiment to determine the effect of climate change. The answer is 2. The reason is to indicate the purpose of the experiment. Next, by the end of the semester, students are required to submit their final projects. The answer is by. The reason is by is used to indicate a specific time limit. Next, the question, the candidate demonstrates strong leadership skills during the interview process. The answer is during. The reason is during indicates the time which an event that was occurred. Next question, the company plans to expand its operation by entering new markets. The answer is by. The reason is by shows how the company is expanding on its operation. Next question, the documentary explores the impact of globalization on cultural diversity. The reason, the answer is on. The reason is the preposition on is used to indicate the effect or impact of something that has on something else. In this case, globalization is having an impact on cultural diversity. The phrase impact on is a common collocation used to describe how one thing influences another.
Uh, Next part is part 6. Part 6 is error recognition. The first number, uh, the professor asked to students to complete their assignment by Friday. The answer is there. The correction is there. The reason there is used to indicate a place, while there is the possessive form that show ownership. The second is the company is currently in the process of hire new employees for the marketing department. The answer is hire. The correction is hiring. The reason after in process of we need the ing from of the verb, so it should be hiring. The third is many students struggles with time management during exam. The answer is struggles. The correction is struggle. Reason the subject student is plural, so the verb should be in plural form, which is struggle. The number four. And next is number four. The study abroad program offers student a unique opportunity to immerse on different culture. Answer on the correction is in. Reason immersive is usually followed by the preposition in, not on. The number five. Next number five, the research team is conduct experiment to investigate the effect of climate change. There is conduct. Correction is conduction. The reason is the require the verb in the present continuous, so it must be is conducting. And number six, the she always arrive at the office early in the morning. Answer is arrive. The correction is arrives. Reason the subject she requires the singular verb from arrives. Then next number seven, the student we required to hand in the final project by the end of the semester. The answer is they. The correction is there. Reason they is a subject pronoun where what is need is the possessive pronoun there. Number eight, the management explained the new company policy to the employee in detail. The answer in detail correction is in detail without S. The reason the past in detail is correct because detail in is uncountable when referring to talk explanation. In detail is incorrect in this context. And number nine, The conference will take place at the convention center on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Answer is at correction in tech the reason because tech place is usually used with the preposition in to indicate a large place such as a convention center. The last is despite of the challenge, the team was able to successfully complete the project on time. Answer is despite of the correction is despite reason. After despite, there is no need to use of just despite is enough. Okay, next is part 7.
Okay, part 7. Question number 1. What is the main idea of the text above? The answer is the potential link between coffee consumption and reduced risk of Parkinson disease. The reason is the text focus on a study that reports on connection between caffeine consumption and a reduced likelihood of developing Parkinson disease. Number 2, how does Parkinson disease affect patients over time? The answer is patients become unable to care for themselves. The reason is the text explains that Parkinson disease leads to worsening symptoms over time, including mental problems and physical difficulties, eventually making patients unable to care for themselves. Number 3, what are some symptoms? What are some symptoms of Parkinson disease? The answer is uncontrolled shaking, difficulty moving muscles, and losing balance. The reason is the text lists this specific symptom as characteristic of Parkinson disease. Number 4, what did the study on coffee consumption and Parkinson disease find? The answer is men who drank more coffee were less likely to develop Parkinson disease. The reason is the study highlight that men drinking about 5 cups of coffee daily were 5 times less likely to develop Parkinson disease compared to those who didn't drink coffee. What is the role of dopamine in Parkinson disease? The answer is dopamine helps control muscle movement. The reason is the text explains that Parkinson disease involves the destruction of nerve cells that produce dopamine, which control muscle movement. Number 6, what is the potential reason why caffeine seems to prevent Parkinson disease according to Dr. Ross? The answer is caffeine increase dopamine level. The reason is Dr. Ross suggests that caffeine might increase dopamine level, thereby potential mitigating the early sign of Parkinson disease. And number 7, why does Dr. Ross suggest that caffeine may prevent Parkinson disease? The answer is caffeine protects against nerve cells destruction. The reason the text states that caffeine might somehow protect against the nerve cells destruction that cause Parkinson disease. Number 8, what is the main limitation of the study of coffee consumption and Parkinson disease? The answer, it did not consider the impact on women or other ethnic groups. The reason is the text explicitly mentioned that the study findings might not apply to women or other ethnic group since it only includes Japanese American men. 9. What is the main finding of the study on coffee consumption and Parkinson's disease? The answer is men who drank more coffee were less likely to develop Parkinson's disease. The reason, this is the key conclusion derived from the study as described in the text. Number 10. The word destruction in the statement, he suggests that caffeine might somehow protect against the nerve cells destruction that cause the disease. Paragraph 7, line 3 has the closest meaning to the answer is breakdown. The reason is in the context of sentence. Destruction refers to deterioration or breakdown of nerve cells. I think that's all from me and you see. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.